Da bambomwe.
Imene ziriri anthu kukondwera ndithu ndi utsogoleri ndi imene ziriri pakudutsa pamene pa president pamene pandi panandosi muzingoona amene akukondwerera anthu ndithu koseku kuli anthu imene zilirimu kukondwera ndi utsogoleri anthu ndi panandosi pamene popo anthu akuti ayime kukondwera nawo utsogoleri imene mukondweramo kukondwera nawo utsogoleri anthu akuti ayime nandosi imeneyoyo imene zilirimu president amene akudutsayo koma anthu akuti ayime kukondwera ndi utsogoleri amenewo wa president sanditu imene mukuoneramo anthu ulendo umenewo wakunyambako ndithu anthu sakucheza iyayi imene mukuoneramo zabwino ndithu zokongola imene mukuoneramo wakunyambako achoka ndi kusanjika kumeneko ndithu utsogoleri wokoma utsogoleri wabwino anthu akukondwera ngati akulandira zinthu zaulere koma ndithu kuli kukondwera ndi utsogoleri ndimene timapangira ndithu ifeyo anyamata akapanga nawo pambuyoko kuonetsa chimwemwe chawo kuitsatira ndithu kompoyi sakuyang'ana kuti mafuta akwera koma kunyadira utsogoleri.
I also want to bring the youth into the economy. With that in mind, I've appointed my office Minister of State, Honorable Alfred Gangada, an enterprising, a very brave young man, to lead that Department of the Youth. Among other things, I'll be assigning him. That minister will be in my office. The Minister of State is in my office. Now, I want, in addition to other duties I'll be assigning him, I want him also to engage in youth empowerment. I want him to look across the board, all sectors of the economy, to see how we bring the youth into the economy of this country. And so the youth, you were demanding that you wanted a young leadership only. I've given you a young person, actually, to deal. I've given you a young person to deal with the the issues that face you as young people in this country. Of course, he'll have my full support in carrying out his duties as an ambassador, somebody who will be looking at how we bring the youth into the economy of this country and into the demographics of this country. So that is my agenda. I've made myself a promise to God, and I've asked God to help me, that when I finally bow out of the public sector at the end of my term, that Malawi will be a different country. That Malawi will be a country for everybody, where everybody will enjoy the benefits, but also the responsibilities of this country. May God bless you all. Thank you. Now, I know when I came back to this country, after many years in other countries, and started working here, I was shocked by the number of meetings that we're holding. When I became Minister of Justice, I think my first job was legal advisor to the President on constitutional and international affairs. That one I didn't have large staff. But when I became Minister of Justice, I had a large staff, bureaucrats. We had a meeting today, and two days later, come again to discuss what we discussed at the last meeting, and then come back the third day to discuss what we discussed at the last meeting that we just had. It went on and on and on. Now, Malawians were a nation of meetings, endless meetings, physical meetings most of the time, and so forth. Nobody wants to talk on the phone to discuss things so as to save time. No, I have to see you in person because this is so serious, so confidential, that I can talk on the phone. I say, why not on the phone? Oh, because there's somebody listening. Who is listening to you? They don't tell me. One of my friends, presidents, was telling me that he spends 99% of his time running the government on the phone, and not physical meetings and so forth, to save time. So I want you as civil servants to cut short the meetings, and if possible, to have virtual meetings, so you don't travel around town and West Shore and so forth, and you can have virtual conference. I can assure you that my government will not be listening to anybody. You are telephone conversations. I decided to free this country. This is now a free country, and I'll not be spying on you. So make sure that you do that.